In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reusable elements in Bubble.io. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially if you want to maintain consistency across your project without having to duplicate your efforts. Let's walk through this process step by step, starting with accessing Bubble.io. First things first, head over to the Bubble.io website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your existing account. Just click on the Login button. If you prefer a seamless login process and already have a Google account, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. When prompted, select your Google account from the list and then click Continue to proceed. After logging in, you'll be on your dashboard where you can see all your projects. Locate and click on the project where you'd like to add a reusable element. Once you're on your project page, you'll see various options. Click on the Web app to start working on your design. Look over to the left sidebar where the assets are located. There's a handy search bar. Type Reusable into it, and you'll find the option to create a new reusable element. Click on New Reusable to start the process. Here you'll name the element you want to create. For this demonstration, let's say we're creating a navbar. Simply type in something like navbar and then click Create. Now navigate to the page that's been created for your reusable element. In the design interface, click on the Layout tab to adjust the size according to your preference. Let's say you want a wider navbar. You can set its width, perhaps to 1500 pixels, and then adjust the height as necessary for your design. Next, move over to the Components icon. Here you can drag and drop elements from Bubble's templates, saving time and effort on designing from scratch. Once you're satisfied with your reusable element, click to go back to the navigation page, which lets you return to the main area of your project. From your design view, go back to the index of your project. In the search bar, look up the reusable element you just created, like navbar. Drag and drop it onto your design page. Make sure it fits perfectly with the rest of the page by adjusting its size and position. Tweak it until everything is aligned nicely and looks just right. And there you have it. You've successfully created and added a reusable element in Bubble.io. This means you can use this navbar across different parts of your project without the need to recreate it each time, ensuring uniformity and saving valuable time. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to leverage Bubble.io for a smoother, more efficient design process. Catch you in the next video.